Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair the Jabra Solemate speaker with your Android device. So first of all you have to turn on your speaker, so move this button like that, and then you have to click and hold this button until you hear the notification sound. And I'm talking about this one.
Go ahead and connect me. Use the Bluetooth setting on your phone.
Okay, actually I cannot turn off the sound, so we have to go to pair the device and select the device from the list. Wait until it
Go
pops.
ahead and connect me. Use the Bluetooth setting on your phone.
Click pair. Okay, and then we finally get rid of
Solemate is connected.
of that weird music. So that's one of the worst idea that I have ever seen in the wireless devices. That was the pairing mode, and until the whole pairing mode you will hear that cringe sound. You cannot decrease the volume, you cannot turn it off, you just have to pair your phone. Thanks God that it takes quickly to pair any device to each other by using the Bluetooth. But yeah, that was the connection method for the Jabra Solemate with the Android device. And yeah, you have to hear this annoying sound for a few seconds until you connect your device. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.